Route number 2, Alex Bowman with the line. Alex Bowman, then Hamlin and Ryan Newman. Drivers, start your engine! Drop off here. There it is. Dropping off on your feet, ladies and gentlemen. The BMW Sport Clips Haircut BMW 200 getting underway right here, right now as they approach the Geico starting zone here at Darlington Raceway. And the green is showing now. 5-4 makes it there. All the way to the bottom, he'll take better of it. As a matter of fact, Christopher Bell will drop their line. He'll go to the forward in the tire tracks of Daniel Evans with the leader and Roman that day. Main straightaway, leading the mountain. When the inside lane opens up for Christopher Bell. Drag race to the turn 3. Bell at the bottom of the speedway. Daniel Evans with your position. Daniel Evans coming out of the gas. The line is across the middle. Second spot. Daniel Evans is here. Download the free NASCAR Acceleration Nation app at the App Store or Google Play. We will.
Xfinity Series. We'll hear from him and some other drivers here in just a moment.
So the celebration is underway for Brad Keselowski and Team Penske as their number 22. Almost a flawless stage 3 right there once you got past the situation where Kevin Harvick and Ross Chastain had their bit of a come together there, and all of a sudden it was just Brad Keselowski, and he ended up the race flawlessly under green flag conditions and some pressure from the home tester from time to time, but he ends up claiming the win. Good run over 23 of Chase Elliott, finishes in 6th place with Justin Allgaier in the 7th. He ultimately the one who is going to be celebrating here at Darlington Raceway. We'll be hearing from him in just a moment. We'll also be hearing from all the other drivers.
Brad Keselowski. Wow, man, what a race. You guys were digging hard all day long, put on a great show for these fans. And I think that's the hardest I've ever seen you try to not do a burnout. You still had to give them a little something there, it looked like.
That wasn't a burnout, that was just parking to see you, Rutledge.
Man, you seem to be in that right place at the right time. You were always top 5 there. But
Do I look like Kurt?
yeah, man, you look great. Kurt can't even tell. It was perfect.
No.
You shot around those two when they got into each other and just never looked back.
Yeah, we had a really great snap-on Ford Mustang Rutledge, and I could keep up with Ross, but I couldn't pass him. He was so fast, and tried to make the move to get by him, and I just brushed the wall, and him and Kevin got back by me, and then they had their issue off with 2, and we were just so strong we were able to just pounce on it and take advantage of the opportunity, and that's a testament to this team. I drove 5 races this year, we won 3 of them. That's pretty darn good, and I'm really proud of that.
You guys make some noise for Brad Keselowski's first win here at Darlington.
All right, so let's hear from the rest of us.
And we're not where we should be.